How to fix no SIM on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you can go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor issues on your iPhone. Next, scroll down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, tap on the airplane mode and toggle it on and wait for 5 seconds and then disable airplane mode. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then sometimes the SIM is loose or dusty. So you can power off your iPhone and then remove the SIM tray using a SIM tool and then check if the SIM is dusty or the tray is damaged. See if that helps. If not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on about. Here, make sure the carrier update is updated, and if not, then update the carrier. Also, go back to general and tap on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version. Next, go back to General and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter a passcode and reset network settings and see if following these steps helps you in fixing your issue or not, and if not, then you can try a different SIM card and see if the issue is with the SIM or your iPhone hardware. Also, go ahead and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might need to contact your carrier or Apple support team for further assistance. So this is how you can fix no SIM on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.